To activate your catalog, we're going to go to View at the top bar and we go down to Catalog. Now, new to Caddie 26 is that you can actually decide what you would like to add to your catalog. So I've already added all those content to my catalog, so I'm going to show you how to add content to your catalog. We're going to make use of the option that says Download Additional Catalog. Caddie will prompt us a list that's available. As you can see, what I've already installed shows me my status that it's installed. Those are still available, so you as user can decide in your environment what you really want and what you don't want to use. And also the file size, you will see that some of it is a 1 meg file, some of it is a 2.8 gig file. It takes a bit longer, although Caddie will allow you to carry on working while Caddie is downloading the content or synchronize it with your catalog. So for this exercise, I'm going to download fountains too. So I'm going to select the fountains and I'm going to say download. Now as you can see, it's a 121 meg file, so I'm going to say download. Caddie will now confirm and tell me that Caddie will now download the catalog file in the background. You can continue working normally and Caddie will prompt you to install it when it has finished downloading. So I'm going to say OK, and while it's busy, now I can carry on working. I'm going to select my symbol, see for copy. I'm just going to place another copy of my desk over there. I'm going to place another 3 over there. So you can carry on working and Caddie is doing the download in the background, and once it's done with the download, Caddie will give us confirmation again. Okay, so Caddie has finished in the background. As Caddie confirmed now, your catalog download has finished and the catalog will now be installed. So I'm going to say OK. You'll see something happens on the right hand side. The catalog has been installed and should now appear in the list of the available catalog. So I'm going to say OK. And if I look in the drop down, then I'll see it's installed. So I can then select it and I can carry on working. What I want to show you, what's also nice new to Caddie 26 is, and this is also applicable when it comes to your hatching, is that either you can double click on your symbol to bring your symbol from your catalog, or you can drag. Now that setting is set under your configure, environment settings. You will see that there's the application option and then there's a activating tool. So mine is set by click, so if I double click, you'll see at the bottom right hand side, you can tell Caddie, do you still prefer to drag your content from the catalog to your model space, or would you like using the click option? So keep in mind, but I'm going to recap later on when we do the hatching again, because this is also applicable to your hatch dialog. So I'm going to set mine to click. I'm going to say OK. So what that means is now if I'm going to bring in a symbol, start from at the cells, I can just double left click, and as you can see now it's attached to my pointer and I can place my symbol. If I go back to that option that says download additional catalog, if there's something that you're looking for that's not in the list, then you'll see at the bottom there's an option that says can't find what you want. So as soon as you're going to click on that option, Caddie will open an email that's going to be sent to support@caddiesoftware.com, and as you can see there, I am unable to find the content that I want. Please help me with. And then we from the support team will try our best to find the symbol that you're looking for. Now, the content that you see over here, the catalogs, is also available on our website. So if you visit our website, www.caddiesoftware.com, if you go to your downloads, you will see that there's an option that says catalog. And under the catalog, as you can see, construction, paint, decorations, documentation, doors and windows, etc. So it's also available on our website.